Hi friends, in yesterday Python class we understand introduction of Python, applications and career opportunities in Python. Now today's class, data types in Python. In programming language, every value or data has an associated type to it known as data type. Some common used data types are string, integer, float, boolean. C also like that. C means C language. This data type determines how the value or data can be used in this program. For example, mathematical operations can be done on integer and float type of data. String. Now talk about string. A string is a stream of characters enclosed with quotations. Characteristics of string. Capital letters A to Z, small letters A to Z, digits, special characteristics, space. Some examples you've seen in below. Integer. All whole numbers positive, negative and 0 without any fractional part comes under integers. Examples: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 without any fractional part. Float. Any number that has a decimal point is called a float. 24.3, 345.210. Any number that has a decimal point is called a float. Boolean. In general sense, anything that can take one of two possible values is considered a boolean. Then can take values like true or false, yes or no, 0 or 1, on or off. As per Python syntax, true and false are considered as boolean values. Note: in these boolean values start with capital letters. True, capital T; false, capital F. In Python syntax, assigning value to variable. The following is the syntax for assigning an integer value 10 to a variable is equal to 10. Assigning value to variable using assignment operator. Here the equals to sign is called as assignment operator because it is used to assign value to variable. You understand? Once read it. Here the equal to sign is called as assignment operator because it is used to assign values to variables. You understand? I know. Modulus. In yesterday class we have some arithmetic operators like addition, plus, subtraction, minus, division, forward slash. Now in this section we know remaining three arithmetic operators. Modulus. To find the remainder we use modulus operator. To find remainder, print 6 modulus 3, the output is 0. Exponent. The another one is exponent. To calculate a power b we use exponent operator. 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3, like we calculate using exponent operator. A exponent a to the power of b. Code: print 2 to the power of 3, output 8, using an exponent operator to calculate a power b. Flow division. To find integral part of quotient we use flow division operator. Flow division operator gives result equal to int of a by b. Print a flow division operator 2, output 1. Program. Program in yesterday class. A program is a sequence of instructions given to a computer. A program is nothing but a sequence of instructions given to a computer. Defining a variable. Defining means create a variable. A variable gets created when we assign a value to it for first time, is equal to 10. A variable gets created when you assign a value to it for the first time. A code a is variable, 10 is value, equal to is assignment operator to assign value to variable. Printing values in a variable. Now it's time to start Python programming. Printing values in a variable. Variable name enclosed in a quotations will print variable rather than the value in it. If you intend to print value, do not enclose the variable in quotations. If you print exact value, then the value is not in quotations. If you print rather than value, means then we write in quotation marks. Here code is equal to 10, print age 10. Here code is equal to 10, print age. In this code age is in between quotation marks, so output is age. Every value or every string in between two quotation marks is exactly print in output. Next topic, order of instructions. Order of instructions is one of the most concept in Python programming language. Python executes the code line by line. Python executes code line by line. Pin this point, Python executes code line by line. So the order of instructions becomes very important. Let's add the code below. Print age is equal to 10. Here we print first, then we age equal to 10 is an instruction. Here Python executes line by line. The code is not understand what is age, so name error, age is not defined. This is an error because the variable age is not created by time you try to print. Age is not created. First we try to print, so it's not understand. Remember, Python executes code line by line. Error spacing in Python. Error spacing in Python. Having spaces at the beginning of line causes errors. Errors. Having spaces at the beginning of line causes errors. Here we see code and the output is indentation error, unexpected indent. Indentation error means unexpected spaces given code in your code. So first we check space, which place space is located, and we solve the error, indentation error. Pin that point, unexpected error and unexpected error in your code. Unexpected space in your code causes indentation error. Variable assignment. Values in the variable can be changed. In yesterday class, values are changed. Values in the variable can be changed. Code a equal to 1 print a equal to 2 print a. Here first we print 1 and here change to 2. Example of variable assignment. Here we have a look on code, then we understand. Code a equal to 2 print a equal to a plus 1 print a. Here first we print 2 and we add plus 1, so print 3. A equal to 1, b equal to 2, a equal to b plus 1. Here print a. Here a equal to b means 2, 2 plus 1 3, output 3. Print b 2, output 2. Expression. An expression is a valid combination of value, variables and operators. Expression. An expression is a valid combination of values, variables and operators. Example, a plus b, a plus 2, like that. Body mass is one of the important concept. The standard order of evaluating an expression is body mass. Bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here the code is given and the output is 22. The logic is only one, that is body mass. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then we solve this code and the output is 22. Keep try it and we solve it your style using these body mass. Tip: taking input from user. If you want to take input from user, then we use input. Allows flexibility to take the input from the user. Input function, remember it. Input function allows flexibility to take the input from the user. It reads a line of input as a string. Username equal to input of print username. Here user print as a, then print as a. You understand? The next topic is string concatenation. Concatenation means combine any two strings. Here string concatenation, joining strings together is called string concatenation. Joining strings, a equal to hello plus old, print a. Here concatenation means joining strings, so hello plus old, hello old. You understand? Next topic is concatenation errors. Concatenation errors. String combined is possible only with strings. Concatenation is only possible with strings. Here code a star plus 10 print a. Here an output is an error shows can only concatenate string, not int. So we remember concatenation is only support for strings. Now tomorrow topic is string repetition. Tomorrow I complete string concept. So please watch my videos. If you have any queries, doubts, please comment in comment section. Please support me and subscribe me and press like button.